Wait period of. But like to mention item 8 on today's list. It's circulated in adjournment slip.
Both sides are, all sides are represented. On the clear made by land counsel for the appellant, the matter stands adjourned today. List after
Can it be listed on 9th? It's a hearing day.
on
9th of December. That's the hearing date.
can we make it the first week, second or fourth? It will be more convenient because we are getting closer to vacation.
Lordship.
Second then,
Okay.
2nd December.
Okay.
Item 9 also same day, 2nd December.
Lordship, only possible for the day for item 9,
Only password for the day.
only
Okay, password of the day. Okay.
deeply obliged.
May I please your lordship, I would like to mention a criminal appeal which was listed last on 9th of April. Criminal appeal number 134 oblique
Give
2025.
the slip to the courtmaster.
Daily list item 1 with 2 for orders.
I am appearing in item number 1 of this.
Yes, Mr. Kaushik, the appellant Mohammed Rahman Ali has expired. Rahman Ali is
He has filed a different application, Lordship, the criminal appeal, that is
180, I think 180 it was. 18024.
180 of 2024. In last order, they reflect.
yes 180 or 24. Who is that file? 180 or 24?
That is not listed today.
No, it's there.
আছে নেকি?
180 or 24 is there.
বানিয়ে দিব পাৰে। যোৱাবাৰ লিখত আহিছিল।
সেইটো already order pass কৰিছে, চাৰ্জশিটত নাম নাই, আগতে নেকি?
ইয়াতে ৰাখিব লাগিব dispose of 1411 এইটো dispose of হৈ গৈছে Okay, so the direction is that the paper book will be used, so it is otherwise ready for hearing.
Otherwise ready for hearing.
We'll fix the matter then for hearing, 2nd of December.
Probably also that hearing may not take place, that is the difficulty. Like.
Why?
But other, this is a from 2000, appeal of 2024 also, that is why.
No, we can only list it because whether it takes, whether the
Possible.
hearing takes place or not, that's not within our control.
Lordship, I hear my IA, Lordship, because here what I find subject to correction, Lordship, that the case is, the appellants are convicted on the basis of circumstantial evidence. Only evidence which is incriminating is that they were found in the vehicle, the driver of which was killed by some person, Lordship.
Yes,
That is the incriminating. Now, how they are connected, because their explanation is that one Moizuddin who was driving the vehicle, whose driving license was also seized by the prosecution, he informed the appellants that he has purchased a car, so accordingly they went for a ride. That is their explanation.
but that has not been proved.
But
The
apart
fact
from
of-
that, Lordship, that
fact
other
of,
circumstances were not proved by the prosecution.
No, that's okay, but you see, once you say that we had purchased the car,
No,
the
we have
onus
purchased.
will
It is,
shift on
this is
you.
Moizuddin purchased, Lordship. We were only went for a ride, Lordship. That in 313 also your Lordship will find that part. Moizuddin, who was driving the vehicle, he informed us that he purchased.
Because you see, this vehicle was intercepted during a Naka.
Lordship.
Now, please tell me, what is the explanation? Why will somebody have a dead man inside and drive the vehicle?
No, dead man was not found there, Lordship. Dead man was found in Borpeta pier, in Borpeta Villa. And in fact, Lordship, that dead body is of the driver. That is not proved. Identification is not there, Lordship.
The blast
Because
time,
the dead body was recovered, inquest was done, inquest report never exhibited, Lordship. And Lordship, that in the postmortem report, it is written as unidentified person. After 16 days, the name was inserted. And who identified that man is not examined by the prosecution. On what basis that identification was done? That is not there. An FIR was lodged after Lordship, apprehension of this appellants, Lordship. So prior to that, no information was there either to Bukazan or to Borpeta PS regarding the stolen of the vehicle, Lordship. Or dispute PS. So why and how these persons were apprehended, that also remains in dark, Lordship. That how this identification of the dead body was done, that your Lordship will find the evidence of PW 12, Lordship. Cross-examination part, he also admitted that they can, Lordship, preserve the body for 72 hours. The evidence of Lordship PW 11 and 12, that will make clear regarding the identification of the dead body, Lordship. And that inquest report is also not exhibited.
What is the name of the deceased?
Name of the deceased, Mokibur Rahman. Page 34, Lordship, specific question was put on the basis of what document it was added, no explanation was given by me. So how the names was included, no explanation is there. On what basis? Because he also admitted that they can preserve the body only for 72 hours. So the name was inserted after 16 years. On what basis they have inserted that name, their explanation is not there. An inquest report not exhibited in presence of whom those were, let's say, were identified, that is also not there. PW 11 conducted inquest but he also admitted at page 30 that he nowhere mentioned about the name of the deceased. PW 11, Lordship, he prepared the inquest report over the dead body. And in cross-examination, he stated that he did not mention the name of the dead body anywhere. Page 30, your Lordship, it's for page 29, PW 11. In chief, he says one Kitab Ali identified, but who is that Kitab Ali? He was not examined. Nor if it is he was identified, then why his name was not inserted, the deceased name was not inserted in the inquest report. Those things not explained by the prosecution.
আকৌ দিছপুৰে কৈছে আমি ডাব্লিউৰ মতে প্ৰচেছটো আগত কিন্তু এতিয়ালৈকে সেইটো কোনো ইনফৰ্মেশ্যন নাই বাকী টাইপত
Now, Dispur PS has sent a WT message regarding the stolen of vehicle, Lordship. And after that, the Borpeta police informed that we have received, recovered a dead body.
ইনফৰ্মেশ্যন বুজি পাইছোঁ বোকাজানে নিমাইছে ডেপুটি হেণ্ড অভাৰৰ কথা গাড়ী হেণ্ড অভাৰৰ আছে গাড়ী ডেপুটি
আৰু গাড়ীখনহে পোষ্টমৰ্টম ৰেফাৰেন্স
Was the owner of the car examined?
No.
Right.
She died, Lord.
She died, so husband and
Hmm?
son.
Husband and son examined, she died.
PW?
PW 1 and 2.
One and. Informant wife is. যাতে দিশপুরের উপর গম পাই এটা একটা issue।
Where is the FIR?
FIR, Lordship will find at page 1. Relevant portion of contents at page 4.
No, as per the record, we are not inclined to grant bail. Take it up for hearing, whenever you say.
Well, this Caesar list and the FSL report,
Hmm?
the Caesar list, that number of the vehicle is tally with the FIR. And my lord, the blood stain found in the vehicle is,
No, it's not
Image
that
blood.
consideration.
yes,
For that purpose, this is not a good, this is not a very good investigation.
yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
There are many things lacking. Whatever Mr. Ahmed says carries some weight. Yeah,
But so far that the inquest
come
is
to a
concerned,
conclusion to, for different reasons altogether.
my lord. They may be picked.
Not because of the investigation.
And regarding that, the inquest report of which my learned friend has pointed out, my lord. When the inquest was made, that time the body was not identified. His nephew came at the time of postmortem report,
But it was not even exhibited.
my lord.
Not exhibited, not examined.
Not
Not
exhibited,
not
not exhibited. No, I'm saying about the PW 11.
No,
which my learned
please
friend
tell me, when you walk outside, if you find a dead body,
my lord.
unidentified dead body, let us say a beggar
Right.
who does not have an identification mark, he does not have anything. Now, if an inquest report is made, or for unidentified people, you don't make inquest. What is the principle you follow?
My lord.
What is the principle that the state follows? An unidentified dead body
My lord.
is lying on the road, appears to be of a street beggar.
My lord.
Now, what is the state policy? Inquest is made or not made?
Made, my lord.
Made. If it is not exhibited,
My lord.
then,
Yes, yes, that is fatal to the case, my lord, possibly.
and this is being missed by your circle inspector,
Yes.
the inspector, the superintendent of police. Everybody has to monitor it.
My lord.
Everybody misses it.
My lord. My lord, otherwise, date may be fixed, my lord, on fourth. On second, my lord, your lordship yesterday fixed 2 meters, my lord. Second.
Okay, the 4th of December.
Photo.
Oh, acha, no, fourth there is a special bench,
What is special?
the 9th of December.
9th of December.
Oblige.
Third, Mr. A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the appellant. Mr. R. R. Kaushik, learned AP for the state. Next, the learned counsel for the petitioner, appellant. This is the prayer for bail made in the interlocutory application. Court is of the considered opinion that time that would be consumed for hearing the bail application. Within that time, the appeal itself can be heard. So accordingly, is the matter for hearing on 4/11, 9/11, 9/12/2025. Together with the interlocutory application.
Oblige, Lordship.
Just a moment. First, one more line before the restrictions. See that we have observed that the copy of order dated 14/11/2025, a common order, right, by which criminal appeal 180 of 2024 was disposed of, is not available in the concerned file. First of accordingly, the registry shall make a copy of the order dated 14/11/2025, which is lying in the records of criminal appeal 469 of 2023, and keep it with the record of criminal appeal 180 of 2024.
Oblige.
Item 3 for orders.
In this case, Lordship, paper book is not prepared and Lordship, the deposition is little difficult to understand. So may I pray this matter will be taken up next week? Probably by this time paper book will be ready, Lordship.
Okay, you are right. No, in fact, there's an order which says the paper book prepared in the other 180 can be used here, and therefore we have taken up.
No, in item number 3, Lordship. Item number
Oh,
3.
acha, 3.
Yes.
Okay. Item number 3. Yeah, I done. Star particular, I think it's a 3. It is observed that by order dated 6/1/2025, the preparation of paper book was ordered. The list. Oh, acha. As per office note dated 15/11/2025, the AOJ paper book section has requested for 4 further weeks' time for preparation of paper book. Accordingly, list the matter on
They,
7/1/2025.
4 weeks they requested on earlier occasion, Lordship. After expiry of that period, we have made mention. So we have inquired, Lordship, that they said, Lordship, another.
No, there is an office note here.
Lordship.
This is the office note. It says on 15/11, they are asking for 4 weeks further time.
15/11.
So that's why we are fixing it on after reopening on 7th of January.
Fine.
Next paragraph, the order be brought to the notice of the AOJ criminal appeal section.
Obliged.
Item 4 for orders.
Item 4, police is wrongly showed as PP Assam.
No, it is to be, Nia,
Wait, please, Your Lordship. It's a appeal, my lord.
you are appealing for Nia.
There's a delay of, my lord, 45 days, my lord.
It too,
Yes, my lord, 42.
condone the delay. Your name?
D Bharadwaj.
A.
D Bharadwaj.
D. Bharadwaj. Heard Mr. N.J. Datta and Council Yadav. As well as Mr. D. Bharadwaj, current Council Secretary. Respondent Nia. Next, Mr. R. Kaushik, current APP has submitted that although his name is depicted, his name is depicted in the was this, but he is not appearing in the matter. Threat submission is noted. Next paragraph. By filing this interrogatory application, the applicant who is the appellant in the connected appeal has prayed for controlling the delay of 42 days beyond the period of limitation in filing the connected appeal. Next paragraph. Although the learned counsel for the respondent has opposed the prayer, but considering the explanation, the prayer is allowed. The delay of 42 days beyond the period of limitation in filing the connected appeal stands condoned. Next, the registration now register the connected appeal and list the matter.
If the lordship pleases, my lord, the TCM may be called.
For that, we'll have to pass order there.
I'm obliged.
Item 5 with item 6 for hearing.
May it please your lordship, please. Like to copy, like to copy, like to copy.
Who's there? Single bench, item 1.
Okay, side on item 2 for reply.
Item 2.
Please give us call for SCPHE. We're dictating the order, but we'll wait for the PHE standing council. After that, we'll formally close the matter. But Mr. L.R. Mazumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, applicant. If somebody comes, then so and so for the respondent, otherwise none appears. Next. This interrogatory application has been filed with the prayer for correction of the cost title in respect of respond number 4 by substituting the chief engineer within bracket PHE, Hengrabari, Guwahati 36, with inverted commas, the chief engineer PHE within bracket PHE, bracket close water, Hengrabari, Guwahati 36. Next map. It may be stated that by order dated 25/9/2025, the connected WPC 3633 of 2025 was disposed of in terms of directions contained in the order dated 3/4/2025, passed in WPC 342 of 2025. Next slide. According to the court is of the constitutional opinion that if the prayer made in this interrogatory application is allowed, the respondents would not suffer any prejudice. According to this prayer made in the interrogatory application stands allowed. The allowed by substituting the chief engineer PHE Hengrabari, Guwahati 36 781036 as 2 the chief engineer PHE water Hengrabari, Guwahati 781036. That's respond number 4 in the connected in the cost title of the connected WPC 3633 of 2025. Application stands. This we are making that correction. You'll be suffering prejudice any no. Mr. R.R. Gogoi, standing on PHE.
Item 2. One.
You understand that? Last time we made a query. What was the query? No, no. No, no. No, because the question was, I think, whether by restoring this. Hmm? Can the merit be touched? That's the query. You better note it down. I will forget. Today I have accidentally remembered. I don't have very good memory. That's why note it. Because my own memory is not very strong. Yes, Mr. Alamgir, we are waiting for you. Not available. Because it will then go to first week of December. Special bench कितने रखते हैं? Single bench. First of December. First of December. Timing. It is what time? 5:30 PP. Special bench. फिर आप 9 तारीख. Next time be is the next date will be 9th of December. Just make sure that that day we argue the matter. Hmm? So we are not giving the time because that will be fixed by the Honorable Chief Justice. We just, huh? Both sides are represented on the prayer made by Mr. A. Alam, then comes to the petitioner, the matter has been withdrawn today. Mr. P. Sharma, and standing for the NF Railways present. List again on 9/12/2025. Both sides will submit a written bullet point of their submissions on the set date of listing. List on 9/12/2025. Give a bullet point of your submissions also in writing. No, same day because the file will not come to me before that date. We're doing it because this is not the regular bench, so I tend to forget.